The former finance minister Biti is warned of potential economic chaos in 2025 if there is no liberalized exchange rate and no injection of liquidity into the economy. Saravila mashuka toti Biti anozikanwa aiwa nevanhu vese munyika yeZimbabwe wavakati aiwa the best finance minister akaitika in the history of Zimbabwe. Don't subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Muzana nasi auya achipa a stern warning kune vakomana vana mutule mwoyo achidanyira achiti. In an interview with Newsday, Biti said that the introduction of the gold-backed zinc currency in 2024 has contributed to economic instability, said Biti. Companies are paying the price of an uncertain political regime and exchange rate mismanagement. The introduction of Zimbabwe gold currency has only brought chaos to the economy. Biti warned that Zimbabwe could face a total collapse in aggregate demand as businesses grapple with crippling debt charges and limited access to affordable capital. To prevent further economic decline, Biti said that must be cheap money in the market to provide businesses with the funding necessary for survival. He also criticized the export surrender requirement, calling it an unnecessary burden that restricts access to foreign currency. Under the current system, exporters are required to surrender 25% of their proceeds in exchange for local currency at the prevailing interbank exchange rate. Biti further called for removal of money transfer fees, arguing that they stifle economic activity and increase the cost of doing business. The former finance minister also expressed concern over political uncertainty surrounding the potential extension of President Mnangagwa's term beyond the constitutionally mandated two-term limits, which are set to end in 2028. Tomashoko anaitwa na Biti atirikuona kuti aiwa ari kudza kukumana kuti economy yedu muna 2025 vakaseta zvaari kuvakudza taona yakolapsa aiwa yaenda kwamupfiganebwe. Muri dzemafungiro enyu munoti pamusoro pamuzvinafundo apa bvina comment section medu muzamafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.